Ano ntiema timore od bura kama Opiyo Wandayi jatend migao mochune teko kod modhi pacho kae twak sani kente nyim komiti wawinja ne kako dhi nyime kato duoge studio.
The Cabinet Secretary did publish regulations. That is the petroleum (importation regulations) legal notice number 3 of 2023. That is the legal instrument that underpins importation of petroleum products into Kenya. Honorable Chair, the petroleum importation regulations of 2023 provide for the importation of petroleum products under a government-to-government arrangement or through the open tendering system. As a matter of fact, the G2G framework is essentially part of the OTS, okay, under the regulations. Okay, it is a form of OTS which the law supports. That is, of course, both the Act and the regulations. So this legal notice, Honorable Chair, number 3 of 2023, is attached as Appendix 3. And therefore, for avoidance of doubt, there is no existing parallel importation framework rather than what is prescribed by law. OTS or its variant G2G. Okay. Number 3, Honorable Chair. EPRA was provided a detailed explanation on which specific points the quality processes failed, and so on and so forth. Honorable Chair, Regulation 5, Part 1 of the Petroleum (Products Quality Management Regulations of 2025, again attached as Appendix 4 in our bundle of documents, provides that an oil marketing company shall ensure that refined petroleum products imported into Kenya are sampled and tested for compliance with the Kenya standards by the Bureau or competent persons authorized by the Bureau. Regulation 5(6) thereof provides that oil marketing companies shall ensure that copies of the load port quality certificate for each cargo are submitted to the Bureau and the shore terminal nominated for receipt of the cargo at least 24 hours prior to commencement of discharge. Now, concerning the particular consignment in question, from the documents provided, certain quality parameters were off specifications. And again, from record, Honorable Chair, a waiver was sought from the Kenya Bureau of Standards by the State Department for Petroleum via letters as indicated in my response, those two letters of 26th and 27th by the PS, attached here, Honorable Chair, as Appendix 5A and 5B, you will find them. Now, this waiver was duly granted by the Ministry of Trade and Industry through the letter indicated, dated 28 March